So today I want to quickly show you how to add a credit card onto your Cash App account. So we've loaded up the app here on our iOS device, and we're going to go ahead and go to the top right section of the app. It's going to have that little profile photo of you or just a generic profile picture. And right over here, we're going to scroll down towards the bottom of the screen where it says linked banks. Tap right over here, and then there's going to be a section that says link credit card. Now, if you don't actually see a section that says link credit card, you most likely will see it where it says link debit card. So if you don't have that option yet, go ahead and add a debit card onto file, so then that way this linked credit card will pop up. So we're going to go ahead and click right over here. And then this is a really important thing to know is that when you are using this credit card, you are going to be charged 3% because there are fees for using debit cards, which is why they encourage you to use a debit card first and foremost. But if a credit card is needed, let's just go ahead and go through the steps of adding it. So of course you can see right over here, it's going to ask for the credit card number, the month and year, the 3-digit code, and the zip code. So we're going to plug all this in, and then the link card is going to get highlighted, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. So from right over here, we went ahead and plugged in a card, and you can see it does actually say that this card is not supported because the issuing bank charges cardholders additional fees. So you're going to have to use another card. So we're actually going to go ahead and hit OK, plug in another card, and try again. And now you can see we went ahead and added our credit card from our Chase account. So that is now added onto our Cash App, keeping in mind that it does have an additional 3% fee for sending money with that card in particular. Now, also, in case you didn't know, Cash App allows you to borrow money directly on the Cash App account. And we actually created a video right over here for you to learn exactly how to get that all set up.